Hello everyone, welcome to the Crack You video series. Today we are here to discuss static GK business questions for CMAT 2022. Please do visit our website crackyou.in and you can download the previous papers. It would be helpful for your exam. We are having CMAT crash course. It includes day-wise schedule covering all the important topics, and the price for CMAT crash course is ₹1,999. Along with that, we are having CMAT mocks ₹299. Link is given in description. Please do visit and enroll for these packages for your better practice. Let's start with today's session. Which company has launched the Citizen First advertisement campaign? The correct answer is C, ITC. So ITC Limited, Citizen First, driven by the vision of contribution to society. Name the first Indian businessman who found place in the cover story of Forbes magazine. The correct answer is B, Azim Hasham Premji. Online payment solution provider payu has collaborated with which of the following to introduce tokenized payments flow for merchants in India? The correct answer is C, Paytm. Let's check the next question. What is the parent company of the brand Gillette? The correct answer is A, Procter and Gamble. So 2005 Gillette Company USA was acquired by Procter and Gamble Company USA. Match the name of the automobile company in column 1 with the brand of cars owned by them in column 2. The correct answer is A, that is BMW. The correct answer is Mini. Second one is Fiat. The correct answer is C, that is Chrysler. Third is General Motors. The correct answer is Cadillac. Fourth one is Volkswagen. The correct answer is A, Bentley. India's first ever integrated air ambulance was launched in which of the following cities? The correct answer is B, Bangalore. It is South India's first fixed wing air ambulance to be stationed at Bangalore, equipped with isolation POD for safe transport of COVID-19 patients. The parent company of the brand Tropicana is, the correct answer is B, PepsiCo. So PepsiCo is the parent company of the brand Tropicana. Housing finance companies in India are under the regulatory framework of, the correct answer is D, RBI. So the Reserve Bank of India proposed to take over the regulation of housing finance companies by amending the National Banking Act from the National Housing Bank, and the NHB, that is National Housing Bank, had been set up as an apex institution to regulate housing finance in 1988. What is the aim of Google's Project Loon? The correct answer is B, that is to provide internet connectivity in remote areas. So the goal of Project Loon is to provide internet to remote parts of the world, to areas that don't have the internet access. Which company makes Horlicks? The correct answer is A, Hindustan Unilever Limited. Match the following brand to the company. The correct answer is B, that is Santoor is Wipro. Then Margo is Henkel. Then Camay is Procter and Gamble. And Hamam is first one, Hindustan Unilever Limited. Which IT company signed UNGC Initiative to reduce carbon dioxide emission? The correct answer is C, Tech Mahindra. So Tech Mahindra signed UN Global Compact Initiative to reduce emission. Which publicly traded US company is first to hit the $2 trillion market cap? The correct answer is C, Apple. So Apple became the first company to scale a market cap of ₹3 trillion in January this year. And the iPhone maker broke the barrier when its share price hit rupees 182.86 dollar. However, after that the market cap fell below that mark, and the Apple reached the $1 trillion market cap in 2018 August, where it hit the $2 trillion mark in August 2022. So in 2018 it is $1 trillion and in 2020 it is $2 trillion. Siebel is a software firm that is now taken over by, the correct answer is D, Oracle. Film stars have been endorsing Lux Beauty soap since ages. Who was the first actress of Bollywood to do so? The correct answer is D, Leela Chitnis. Parachute is brand of, the correct answer is C, that is Marico. So Marico Industry has launched 3 new variant of coconut oil, light oil, Nutra Sheen liquid and Nutra Sheen creamy under the brand name Parachute. Embraer is one of the world leaders in the manufacturing of corporate business jets. Embraer belongs to which country? The correct answer is C, that is Brazil. So Embraer SA is a Brazil based jet manufacturer, and the company produces aircraft for commercial and executive aviation as well as for defense and security purposes and related services. Eustace Fernandes, who passed away in 2010, was the much admired creator of, the correct answer is B, Amul Girl. So Eustace Fernandes, creator of the Amul Moped and a director on the board of Reliance Advertising, which created the iconic Amul advertising, he has passed away. He was 75. What is the share swap? The correct answer is A, that is only A. So the option is a business takeover in which acquiring company uses its own stock to pay for the acquired company. So this is the correct answer. Which of the following IT giants has bought the popular GIF database GIPHY? The correct answer is A, Facebook. Hope this video will help you in your preparation. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.